Hey guys, what's up? It's Maritza. Welcome back to my channel. Today's look is this Little Red Riding Hood who got attacked by the big bad wolf. If you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. So I'm first taking a crayon and mapping out where I want my cuts to be. So I'm just doing 3 on one side of my face. Taking some spirit gum, I'm using a Q-tip and I am laying down the spirit gum on top of where we drew the lines. And then I'm taking some scar wax that I made by mixing Vaseline and flour together. And I'm just putting that on top of the spirit gum and blending out one side of the scar wax into my skin so it looks like my skin is being lifted up. I'm using a spatula to blend that scar wax out. Once the scar wax is all blended out, I'm taking some liquid latex and I am going over the scar wax just to hold it in place better so it doesn't start to fall off later on. Especially if you wear this out, you're going to want to set this with some liquid latex so it can last longer throughout the night. And then I'm going to repeat the process on the other 2 scar areas that I'm going to do. So I'm putting spirit gum and then rolling up some scar wax, placing it down and blending out that one side of the scar wax to make it look like it's growing out of my skin. And again covering it with some liquid latex. Once the scars are all laid out, I am putting some more liquid latex with a Q-tip in the middle of the cuts, and then I'm putting some cotton in there and then putting more liquid latex on top. This is just to give the inside of the scars a little bit of texture. So I'm just putting some liquid latex and cotton, just a little bit. While that is drying, I'm going to do the other side of my face. So I'm just doing regular everyday makeup on this side. So I'm just filling in my eyebrows like I normally would. Throwing on some winged eyeliner and concealer under my eyes. And also bronzing up my face on my cheek and my forehead. And putting some blush on my apples of my cheeks. And also highlighting the cheekbone and nose. Then I'm taking this cream stack that you can get at the Halloween store at Walmart and I'm just filling in the inside of the cuts with purple and black. I'm focusing the purple on the middle portion and then the black is going to be along the edges of the inside of the scar. And then I'm taking some graftobian blood gel, putting some of that blood inside of the scar. And then I'm taking some purple and black eyeshadow and I'm dirtying up my face a little bit, like bruising it up, especially around the eyes and some around the scars. Then I'm taking my stippling sponge and some more fake blood and I am stippling on blood all around the scars. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this look and the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any new Halloween tutorials. If you do decide to recreate any of my looks, please tag me on Instagram so I could see it and I could like it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!